today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Okay, we're going on a hike. We're gonna go up that mountain you see. Hopefully it won't get too hot and we're gonna have a great time, huh, Frugal RV gal?
That's right.
This right here is Deer Run Trail. It goes down the mountain. We're not doing that today. We're going up the mountain. This is the upper campground. And most everybody's already gone. It's Sunday. We like Sundays, don't we, Jenna?
Every day of the week.
Trailhead is just up around that corner. Bears love them, and I love them. Choke cherries are edible, and Beth, my friend in Krieg, Colorado, introduced me to choke cherry wine. And here we are at the Vista Grande Nature Trail. Wow, this should be an easy trail then.
It's a mushroom. I bet it's not edible.
Half a mile, here we go. It's so pretty already. Oh my goodness. Look at the field of flowers down there. So pretty. What is this?
This is plants as cover and shelter.
You can see the campground. That's the upper campground I showed you earlier. And that's through the burned trees from the 2011 fire that took out Sugarite Canyon State Park. The volunteer at the visitor center told us that that fire is why there are no electrical or water improvements up here at the two top Sugarite Canyon parks in Soda Pocket. So this is a pinon pine, which happens to be, Frugal just told me, the New Mexico state tree. We're at 8,000 feet and still climbing. This is the first view of the valley. Lichen, a fungus among us. Mountain mahogany is a shrub. And then number 6 up here, the guide says it's Bartlett Mesa. And I see a bench in the sun. So we are just above 8,000 feet, pretty much even with that plateau over there. But looky, looky, there's Penny and there's the top of Phoenix. We made it to the lookout. I'm assuming number 7 is the lookout.
No, it's yucca right underneath that.
Yucca? Oh yeah. They're showing the yucca on the narrow leaf yucca. But there's where we started. Woohoo! Fun trail. Let's return, shall we? See if we can catch up with Frugal RV gal now that I'm not going straight down the mountain. There she is.
Tree down.
Tree down. Jenna is picking some currant berries, and we're going to look and see if they are edible when we get back to camp. If they are, I will eat them. Jenna's more hesitant. I ate a plum the other day growing on a tree in the wild, or actually it was in the city, but still it was a wild plum tree. I thought she was going to have a cow. She's like, you're going to die. But I didn't die.
Now I want to go eat one, now that you didn't get sick or die.
Yeah, it really was the best plum I've ever eaten. It was so good. Now we'll go try these. Yeah, you need your foraging pouch, don't you?
I do.
Yeah. So Frugal is picking some choke cherry, which is one of my favorite wines, like I said, out of Krieg, Colorado, where my friend Beth has her ranch. Choke cherry is said to be the favorite food of bears. Yum, 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 yum. So this sign, number 9, says you can look across the valley over there. And that was a giant mudslide in 1987 that wiped out all the oaks and trees on that hill. And so 1987, and then about 14 years later in 2011, this entire area burned, and now it's 13 years after that. So every 13, 14 years, something catastrophic happens up here. So we're headed back to camp.
Let's go, we gotta get out of this.
Let's go. Here we go, just a walking down the trail. Da, 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 da. So this is sign number 11, the final sign, and it says that is a mountain-fed spring coming down right there. There's the valley that we saw from up top. There's a whole bunch more bearberries. And way up there is where we were, on top up there. And we have made it to the exit trail. Woo! We did it, Frugal RV gal.
Yeah, we did.
Woo! Another good day in the neighborhood.
That's right.